This is HCG Berry Babe coming to you from my husband's van. We've just been to the eye doctor. I have my second surgery on this eye tomorrow. And he's in running errands and I'm stuck in the van. So I thought I would vlog. This one is dedicated to Robin Woodall. She'd be so pleased. The money lady, scheduler at my eye office, told me I needed to put on some weight. Oh my God, I said, heavens no, I have about 15 more pounds I want to take off before I stabilize. She says, well, how are you doing it? I said, well, I've had some bariatric surgeries. I said, but HCG has taken me to the finish line. She got kind of a funny look on her face. I said, have you heard of HCG? She says, yeah, a couple of the people in my church have done HCG, and they lost pretty well. And then they put it back on again. And I said, well. And so, I'm not teaching any longer, and I'm looking for a counseling clientele. So I pulled out some of my cards, and I wrote Weight Loss Apocalypse on the back, and I wrote Robin's name on the back, and I put my YouTube handle on there and recommended that they get the book, they read it, and if they wanted to and get online and see some of Robin's vlogs, and if they were interested in talking further, to give me a call, that I'd be happy to talk with them without charging them unless they decided they would like some more intense counseling. I have mixed feelings about actually getting started doing the kind of mind-body work that Robin's doing, because I'm not there yet. But I certainly am a food addict, and I know what it's like to be a diet slut, and so I am just so confident that this time I'm going to make it work. I think that being a part of this community has made such a difference. So I see my husband coming. Nope, it's somebody else coming with packages for somebody else. He's still waiting. So this is my first car vlog. So here's another Virgin for car vlog. And I'm feeling good. I got my paper done. Oh, it is my stuff. They're loading it in the back right now. So I guess I will say bye-bye for now.